Using a mind map in ClickUp is a great way to visually organize ideas, tasks, and projects in a structured way. It helps you map out workflows, brainstorm, and plan. Here's how to use mind maps in ClickUp. Access ClickUp. Log into your ClickUp account. Select or create the workspace where you want to use the mind map. Create a new mind map. In your ClickUp project, go to the Doc section. Click on New Doc and choose Mind Map as the document type. Click Create to open the mind map editor. Add nodes and ideas. Start by adding a central idea or topic in the center of the map. Use the plus icon or press Enter to create new branches for subtopics or tasks. Connect related ideas and tasks by drawing lines between them. Organize and customize. Drag and drop nodes to rearrange ideas as needed. You can color code or label different branches to categorize tasks or ideas. Add task assignments, due dates, and links to tasks in the mind map for easy tracking. Save and collaborate. Share the mind map with team members for collaboration and feedback. Click Save and track the tasks directly in ClickUp.